Do you know which is the most crucial factor set to bring the biggest changes in the world? Artificial intelligence? Let's examine some examples from the past before coming to an answer. The shift from traditional inland post to emails, transitioning from shopping in physical stores to e commerce, moving from printed newspapers to reading news on the mobile devices, and the biggest one from the present, shift from cash to digital payments. Are all these advancements a result of artificial intelligence? Absolutely not. They are all the products of human intelligence and critical thinking. In reality, for AI to evolve, it also relies on humans' ability to think and pose the relevant and logical questions. So, if you're worried that AI may ask your job, work on improving your critical thinking ability. Neglecting this could indeed put you in the risk zone. Now, what exactly is critical thinking? In simple terms, it is your ability to think clearly, rationally, and logically. It enables you to analyze the information, understand its relevance, and make informed decisions or judgments, a skill on which AI perpetually depends. Improving your critical thinking ability ensures that AI remains your assistant and doesn't become your replacement. But the question is, how does one enhance this skill? Is it an entirely new subject demanding extra time to learn? The answer is very simple. Critical thinking ability is something that each one of us has inside us. It's inbuilt. All of us are born with it. We just have to use and sharpen it. Critical thinking is like a habit. Once you have it, you use it everywhere. And the more you use it, the sharper it gets. Let's try to understand this with some very easy examples. Imagine you are in the business of baking cakes. Thinking of a small feature to your cake's presentation every day can result in numerous designs. Similarly, a student strategizing every day to use his time efficiently will at last have the most effective learning plan. An employee consistently optimizing time usage will undoubtedly become efficient. The key is mindfulness. Being mindful of what's happening and making some improvement every day without the need of any extra time. Whenever you see a product or service and think about any additional features, you are engaging in critical thinking, even if you don't implement the ideas. To improve your critical thinking ability, become self aware. Pay attention to your own responses and reactions. Notice your own thought pattern in different situations. This will increase your mental efficiency at workplace, in personal life, and at other places also. The second thing you have to do is observe what's happening around you. The problems in other people's lives are similar to yours. If you can critically examine their problems, you are on your way to improve your critical thinking ability. In fact, your own experiences in different situations can be your best teachers if you are mindful. Well, we are all worried that AI may replace us. But is that really the complete truth? Allow me to explain with some examples. If you take coding, AI can write the code. But just think, who will gather clients' requirements and analyze them? In data analysis, AI can perform technical analysis, but it is only human thinking that can decide which data is relevant and what insights are needed from that analysis. Another job that is feared to get obsolete with the emergence of AI is that of content creation. But see it this way, AI is an automatic system. It gives standardized answers. It is only human intervention that can make the content different and engaging for its consumers. Otherwise, everybody's content would be absolutely same. It is just your critical thinking ability that helps you achieve this. So, what's actually going to happen here? As I think, with AI in place, the job openings in the market won't finish. Rather, the types of jobs will change over the time. Many new jobs will evolve while the old ones get obsolete. The future is about automation. And in the era of automation, your focus needs to shift to effectively using the given systems for which you need critical thinking ability. To improve your critical thinking ability, solve riddles, puzzles, and other brain teasers. They challenge your cognitive abilities and improve problem solving skills. Here are some more unconventional approaches to improve your critical thinking ability. The first one is mind mapping with artistic ideas like drawing, where you try to visually represent ideas and relationships between concepts. The second one is reverse brainstorming, where rather than thinking of ideas to solve a problem, you reverse brainstorm and purposely think of the things that worsen the problem. You will find that this unconventional approach many times gives you unique insights. As we discussed earlier, the brain needs to become a powerhouse of thinking critically and mindfully to sustain the future developments. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know other human qualities that you think are crucial to stay employable in the AI era. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.